How to attach Google Drive file to email. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Drive and log into your account. Click on the file you want to save. Click on the three dots and download it. After it's downloaded, go to Gmail and log into your account. Then simply click on pen-like option on bottom right. Add your subject, add email who you want to send to, then in compose email, click on the attachment on top. Click on insert from drive. All the files from your drive will be available here. Click on the file, then click on select. As you can see, it has been attached, or simply click on attach and select the file you downloaded earlier. These are the two ways you can attach Google Drive file to email. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.